In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Need for Speed No Limits game app permanently from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to remove this game app plus its files from your smartphone is pretty simple. Just go to your app and long press on it, and you should see we have an option for uninstall. So this is if you are on Android. However, on iPhone the process is more or less the same. However, if you don't see this uninstall option, then go to Google Play Store or App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android. Then search for your game, and you should see we have here the option to uninstall. If I just tap on uninstall, now I'll be able to uninstall by confirming it. And now if I go back to my apps, let's wait and see. Now look at that, the game has disappeared. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Need for Speed No Limits game app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.